Thank you. So with just one hand, have your palm flat, fingers closed, touch your fingers to your chin, and then just bring it out in front of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. So you're going to have your palm flat, fingers closed. And then you're going to turn your hand horizontal in front of your chin. With your index finger, touch your chin here, and then come out in front of you and touch your chest. You're welcome. Welcome. You're welcome. Please. So you're going to take your right hand, close your palms together to have a flat, close your fingers together to have a flat palm, touch your chest with your hand, and go in a circular motion. Please. 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 Sorry. So you're going to make an A with your dominant hand, place it on your chest, and you're going to rotate around a couple of times. Now, you're going to rotate toward the opposite way. So if you're right-handed, you're going toward your left arm, okay? And you can accompany it with a facial expression of feeling sorry or disappointed. Sorry.